Okay, welcome to the Crafty Hoarder channel. Like if you like the videos and subscribe to see more of the kits that we're making. So this kit we're going to try out now is the unicorn hangers. Included is a card circle, various card shapes that are inside the packet as well, which you'll see in a moment. Ribbon or string can be in the kit. And not included but might be needed for your kit is glue and possibly scissors if you want to add anything to it. It's a list of instructions to follow. And we've also included a picture of something that could be in the kit. So what I'm going to do is trim off the top and let's have a look what's inside. Okay, so we've got some foam sticky shapes. We've got the card circle with a hole at the top, a lovely bit of pink and white string, and lots of different sparkly bits of card, which I'm not sure you can quite see, but they're beautifully shiny. So we've got some of those as well. So the instructions say to tie the string first. I'm going to do that because that makes it so much easier to add all the other bits on afterwards. And the string doesn't get in the way. And also it makes sure that nobody sticks anything over the hole so you can't get to it afterwards. And then I'm going to glue on the unicorn. Now, little fingers might need a little bit of help with this because the unicorn is actually quite delicate, and also kids do tend to stick the wrong side. So making sure that we're putting the glue on the white side rather than the shimmery side. And the unicorn is actually slightly bigger than the circle, as you'll see in a moment. So you don't have to stick right on the ends of the legs and the unicorn horn because they're going to stick off the card. So if I turn it around so you can see, just stick in the middle there. You can see it's quite effective with the card circle being that little bit smaller. Works really, really well. And then you've got a choice then with the other extra bits to stick on. There's the foam shapes, so you can peel those off the backing and they're sticky already. So you can pop those around and they just peel off the backing. Okay, just like that. So they're quite simple for little fingers to manage. It can go on top of the unicorn, so I've just stuck that leg down a little bit there to secure it as well and make it a little bit prettier. We've got some sticky flowers, so I'm going to put one on that foot as well. Not forgetting we have got some extra card shapes, so with these card shapes we can add a little bit of glue, and not forgetting you can turn over the back and stick these on. Could add a name on if you wanted, depending where you're going to hang it. If it's against a wall you might not want to decorate the back. Let's do some of the tiny ones as well. You can put the glue on the card instead and then stick the star down. These are a little bit fiddly to pick up, especially when my hands are being cold in here today. And you've got plenty of the foam shapes to add on. So I'm going to find they might end up sticking them out elsewhere afterwards as well. Turn it back over. So you can decorate it however they like, and you can just see how much the light catches it in the sunshine. And there you have it. Really simple kit. Let me know how you get on.